Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Husta and welcome to Just the Plant Room. For those of you that are new, thank you for joining. For those of you that have returned, thank you for enduring me. So today I wanted to talk about my little Temu haul. And I know some people just don't like Temu, but stick around and let's see what planty stuff I got. All right, let's see what's inside this package. It took about a week. I ordered on the 16th and I got it today. And it's the 23rd. So let's see. I know I ordered a couple of different little pots. Okay, this was the first one. I thought the butterflies were cute. I think it'll make a cute little cover pot. I'll give you a little close-up of that. Yeah, and I'll make it a cache pot because it doesn't have any holes in the bottom, so it'll make a nice accent to cover those plastic orchid pots I got around the house. All right, let's see what else we got. So I know why I bought this. I got this because I have a little jewel orchid. And I want to put her in something shallow. So first of all, let me say everything in this box I got for about 16 bucks. So we'll keep going. But yeah, I'm going to put a little jewel orchid that I have in here. I think it's got pretty good drainage for it. It's about the right size. The orchid is not that big. And it's kind of terrestrial. So I think this pot will do well with it. Let's see. Oh yeah. And this is a hodgepodge of stuff because I really just wanted to show you what the quality of these Temu items look like. So this is a self-watering. It's clear. It's got the little insert. Yeah, it's kind of flimsy, but this is good for a starter plant. I wouldn't put anything too heavy in here. I think this would actually be pretty good for some leca. Put a couple of, not leca, pond. Put a few leca balls at the bottom so the pond doesn't slip through. It's not bad for $1. All right, let's keep on going and see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, so I wanted some bamboo stakes. And they actually had a pretty decent price on these. See if we can get these open and show you. So it looks like they came with some ties. All right, there we go. Okay, now this I'm impressed with. The quality is pretty good. There's 6 of them. I think these would do really well with the Hoyas or maybe some pothos that I have around that are still young. I could potentially see connecting 2 of these as your plant gets taller. Probably a dab of, what is that, the hot glue and some wraps and it'll probably stand. So yeah, this is not too bad. Pretty neat. Now remember, I only paid $16 for everything I'm pulling out right now. Leave that one for last. I got a couple more stakes. Now these are awful tiny, but I guess these will do pretty good on a young Hoya or a young plant that you're trying to stake up. And from what I can tell, these join. So let me pull it out real quick and I'll show you. And typically for me, when I'm ordering from Temu, I just order one because I want to see what the quality is like before I actually buy more than one. So as you can see, you can join both of these together and make a taller stake. I think that's pretty cool. And they're inexpensive. So that's not too bad. And it's not flimsy. Pretty good material. Oh yeah, yeah, I got some extra butterfly clips for my plants. Now these are small. Yeah, these are definitely orchid clips. I would not buy these again. At least they won't serve my purpose because the stems on my plants are a little too thick for this. So, yeah. Cheap, but itty bitty as heck. But I do have some orchids, so they won't go unused. I'll use those on my orchids. Sorry. Uh-oh, I don't know what, oh, I do know what this is. Since I didn't know what that was. So, kind of like a propagation vessel. So to water prop, say you've got some plants you want to water prop, water, just put it up there. It's kind of neat, simple, small enough to go anywhere. Maybe some pothos cuttings or some type of hanging type plant. For $1, you can't beat that. Aha. So, as of late, I've gotten into making little terrariums. And they had this little guy on sale, and I thought he was adorable, so I figured I'd buy one to see what he looks like. Isn't he cute? It's just a little bitty old thing, but it's cute. Perfect for one of my terrarium jars. I think the colors are great because they'll blend in. And look at his nose. Little gnome dude. Y'all have to excuse my little munchkin. Her name is Addie and she hears something. Adeline, stop the noise. Let's see what else we got. Aha. So I received some of these plastic like moss poles, and I experimented on one of my plants. So I bought these to see if I could extend the moss pole that she's currently on. And from what I'm seeing, I don't think that's going to be possible because these are made differently. So I guess I'll be going back to the drawing board on what I'm going to do to extend her pole. These are little as heck. And I'm going to make a mess of it. There we go. So, yeah. Oops. Came with some plant ties. Yeah. I don't know about these guys. I guess they would be good for a small plant that you're trying to train up. I don't know if it's going to work for the plant that I have in mind. I'll figure out something to do with them. I'm making a mess up here. But you guys can see everything, I think. Oh, that's not going to stay there. All right, let's open this up. And I didn't grab scissors, so bear with me while I try to... Got it. That was simple enough. Aha! A square planter. And this is also a self-watering. So I was curious to see what these are. I don't know that I like that gold insert in there. But all in all, it's not bad. It sits on here pretty good, as you can see. So it's got enough room for a nice plant, like a maybe even pond, although I can see that slipping through these little cracks. But yeah, I'm okay with this one too. It's real lightweight. And I think there's just one more thing in here. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these things. I use them in the kitchen for my hanging plants. You know, the hooks are all the way up in the ceiling, and people like me that are kind of short or vertically challenged have a hard time getting them down from up there. So basically the principle behind this is that you put this on the hook and then you hang your plant and it extends. And depending on the weight of your plant, you can adjust where that lands, making it easier for you to take it off to water. So I wanted to see if what the quality of these were because I didn't get my first ones on Temu. I actually got them on Amazon, but these seem to be sturdy enough. We shall see when I try to put one of my heavier plants on here. So if you don't have these are actually a good investment, especially if your hooks are all the way up in the ceiling and you have a hard time getting your plants down. This makes it easy to water if you've got a catcher or anything. But yeah, so this was my Temu haul. A bunch of itty bitty stuff just to try and see what it looked like. I guess I'll go through here. I know for sure I'll probably order the bamboo stakes again, and or not stakes, trellises, and these guys. The rest of this stuff we'll see as time progresses. So let me know if you've ever bought anything from Temu. Do you get any of your planty stuff from there? Let's talk. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.